OET Reading Part C, the QAS Method.
Hello, and welcome to this video where we'll explore a highly effective strategy for tackling the OET Reading Part C, the QAS Method. Part C of the OET Reading subtest presents you with a challenging scenario: reading a complex medical text and answering multiple-choice questions. This method, QAS, can significantly improve your accuracy and efficiency in this section. Let's break down QAS. Question first. Always begin by carefully reading the question. Understand exactly what the question is asking. Is it about a specific detail, the author's opinion, an inference, or the overall tone? Identify key terms or phrases within the question that will guide your reading of the text. Active reading. Now, engage in active reading of the text. Focus on the main ideas presented in each paragraph, particularly the opening sentences. Pay close attention to connectors like however, furthermore, and in contrast, as these signal crucial shifts in the author's argument. When you encounter keywords from the question, slow down and carefully read the surrounding context. Remember, the goal is to grasp the overall argument and the author's tone, not to memorize every detail. Scan and eliminate. Once you've understood the passage, scan the text to locate the sections relevant to the question. For inference or opinion-based questions, carefully reread the areas surrounding the keywords. Now, systematically eliminate incorrect answer choices. Discard options that contradict the information presented in the text. Be wary of extreme or overly broad statements unless they are directly supported by the passage. Avoid choosing answers that are overly literal. Paraphrased answers may sometimes be more accurate. Using the QAS method consistently will boost your confidence and efficiency in OET Reading Part C, improving your chances of success. Let us know if it works for you in the comments.
More updates are on the way. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest updates on the syllabus and materials on OET. Stay tuned for insightful videos.